Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Assalamualaikum everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Dear brother, dear sister, dear teacher, how are you? How are you doing? How is your morning and your holiday? And I hope you enjoy it. So first of all, I would like to present myself. My name is Njase Diop. Uh, I live in Mbake, particularly in Dar es Salaam, and I am a student. I study in Mbake High School. So guys, today I make this video for you, this movie for you, because I want to present you my channel YouTube. Kai wax anglais. Inshallah, as you know, we are in a holiday, and right now we are free and we have time to focus and to teach you English. I'm not good at English but I'm not good at English, but I will do my best because I know something in English. I know something. That's why I want you all guys to subscribe to my channel YouTube. I put the link that allow you to go and subscribe. So after that, I would like to share with you some phrases or some words I don't know, but I will give you. The first one, to go, verbe aller, ñu naan ko dem. Ma nga see am phrase bu ñuy wax go clean the room, go clean the room, demal nga setal néeg bi. To fold, boo ko déggee mooy plier, ñu naan ko lem, waxuma lem bi ni naan nag mais lem yére. Right now I'm folding my clothes. Maintenant léegi maa ngi lem sama yére. Nga am beneen verbe bu ñuy wax how can I say it, hang up. Hang up mooy raccrocher. Hang up the phone, wuyul téléphone bi. Don't hang up the phone, bul wuyu téléphone bi. Hang up the phone and call me back in a moment. Raccrocher téléphone bi tànn woo ma si kanam. To dial mooy composé. You dialed the wrong number. Dangaa jum si numéro bi nga composé. So guys, thank you so much. Mani ngeen dem abonné sama seen YouTube. Am na lu rëy lu may préparé si vacances yi guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.